it's Joe Buffington with Remax Realty Center. I've got a brand new listing on the market today. Thank you for showing up for the virtual open house. We are at 18113 Rolling Meadow Way. And if you want to take a look around real quick, you've got a great courtyard right here. The pool, tennis courts is right over there. So come on in. All right, so here in Homeland Village, this is one of the largest 3-bedroom, 1-level units you will find. So as we walk in, you'll notice newer carpet and very nice neutral paint. So this is your living room, family room area with 3 large windows out to your private patio area. And I'll show you how to get there from the kitchen. One thing you'll notice throughout this house has all new windows throughout. So coming from the dining room area, now we're walking through to the kitchen. You've got a large table space kitchen, lots of counter space, newer appliances. To your right, that's the utility closet. And then again, you've got a door out to your patio. One of the great things about this first floor unit is you do get your own private patio. All right, as we're leaving the dining room, living room, kitchen area, working our way down the hallway towards the bedrooms, this is our laundry room. Lots of storage in here, hot water heater and appliances. To your left, we've got bedroom number 1, large bedroom. To our right, again, is the hall full bath. All right, so now we're walking into bedroom number 2. Again, nice big windows, lots of light in this room. Last but not least is the owner's suite. So we'll come into the owner's suite here. Ceiling fan, large bedroom space right here. Ahead is the walk-in closet. Large walk-in closet. And then as we turn back around, you've got your full bath, vanity area, and another closet in here. All right, well, thanks again for coming by. This is 18113 Rolling Meadow Way, listed for $290. Couple things before you leave, just want to make sure you got all new windows throughout the house, updated appliances, newer carpet. And another thing, when you have one of these homes, storage is really important. We have 11 different closets inside the home for plenty of storage for you. So take a look at it online or in person. Let me know. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.